On today's solo adventure,
I'm traveling to Elephant Rock State Park in Missouri. Located in Iron County, Missouri, Elephant Rock State Park spans approximately 131 acres. Within this park lies the Elephant Rocks Natural Area, a 7-acre section renowned for its unique geological formations, which you will see later in the video. Keep watching! I don't know how Elephant State Park is on like normal operating days that aren't holidays or just, like any other holiday. But when I was here over Easter weekend, it was busy. There's a lot of people there, and it's gross. I come to the nature to get away from people. So just a heads up, if you come here during a holiday weekend, expect it to be busy. I also thought just kind of in general that Missouri was kind of junky, but that's neither here nor there.
How come they put bricks there? Mommy, how come there's a rock?
Another interesting fact, this is the first time I've ever seen in one of these state parks, national parks, wherever, where they actually had like Braille on the little information plaques, and I thought that was cool. More parks should do that. You need to step up. Other parks. Oh, that's cool. Elephant Rock State Park was established in 1967 after retired geologist John Stafford donated 135 acres of land. And near the park there is a little ghost town. It is called Graniteville, which once housed the workers from the quarries and is now mostly abandoned. Hello. The park is famous for its massive rounded granite boulders, the most famous one being called the Elephant, is over 25 feet tall and weighing hundreds of tons. And when you see the boulders, they somewhat resemble a herd or a troop of elephants, and that is how the park got its name. So, I hear you asking, what did I think of this park? My only negative that I have about this park is that there were too many damn people for such a small park. Otherwise, it was great. I really quite enjoyed looking at the rock formations, and it has a very interesting history. I would recommend it, just don't come during the holidays. Hell.